Alright, what's going on, you guys? So it's nothing much going on with the vlog this week. Nothing super exciting to install. The most exciting news that we got is we got the green lights to go to Japan for Tokyo Auto Salon. This is like our third year in a row, and every time we go there, it's just super fun. The food is just cherry on top. For this year, the most exciting part is we're gonna be with a whole bunch of friends that are all going this year, and that's super exciting, you guys. Let's get right into this vlog because I gotta go do some last minute packing. But by the way, if you guys been watching or following me for a long time and you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and follow along because lots of good content, especially FL5s. Let's go, guys. This has been bothering me for quite some time. It is the seats. Let me just turn on some light here for you guys to see. Okay, hopefully you guys can see from out there. But if you look at the seat, they're kind of off-centered. Not off-center, but the driver's side is short by just a smid, like maybe half an inch. But that half inch is really noticeable. If you just look carefully, it is noticeable. So what we did was we got some seat spacers from Bridge Japan, and they're meant to raise up about 20 millimeters, like almost an inch. And I think that's what it's gonna do to balance it out. Really straightforward install, but this will help because I'm not the tallest guy in the world. I'm roughly about 5'5", pretty short. Tall for an Asian, but well, medium size. So pretty straight, simple product. I'll put the information in the description below if you guys want to do this. But yeah, pretty straightforward. I was hoping that I can install this without taking the seat out, but it doesn't look like it. I think we're gonna have to take it out. So let's go. Okay, so anytime you're working on this kind of stuff and removing your seats, I would lay down a couple of towels. Trust me, because this plastic, it doesn't take much to mar it up, and you want it to look nice and pristine. So let me see here. That's probably what's the best. Ooh, yeah. All right, so let's start taking this apart here. Ooh, much easier. Okay, move the towels, and we're gonna put it all back in. All right, so there's a shot of it installed. At first I thought it was gonna stick out like a sore thumb and be very noticeable, but it is not very noticeable. Maybe it's black. It just kind of blends in with everything else. Overall, I think it's pretty good. But to be honest, you guys, I think if you're good at, just making your own products, this is actually pretty simple. You're just getting the right hardware. If you're really wanting to customize to your height, you can dial it down pretty easy. Yeah, save a lot of money too at the same time. Oh, nice. I can actually see a little way better on over the dash now, because it was a little on the short side. So this is much better. Much better. Yeah, way better position. So achieved two things. It's nice. It's leveled. That was my OCD kicking in. So now the seats are leveled, and then I can actually see that a little bit makes a huge difference. Very nice. Very nice. But look at this, eh? Just by hopping in and out. And I barely drive this car and it's all marred up already. And I can see why you guys are complaining online, but can be replaced. Yeah. All right, guys, so Auto Salon is gonna be super exciting this year because I see a lot of companies that are kind of just teasing us with a lot of new products that are gonna be released that day or debuting. A lot of companies are just starting to trickle out all their products. I don't know, I'm super excited this year. So I'm gonna basically try to cover in depth for all the new products that are going to be released for the FL5. I'm going to try to capture them up close. I know a lot of you guys like it. If you guys do Like I said, please hit the subscribe button, you guys. If you find this, like it helps you guys in any way in helping your guys' build, it does help me a lot too. Hit that subscribe button, follow along, follow my channel. One of the stops this year, exactly what I did last year, is Type 1. And I'm gonna try to go to actually Spoon, the actual store itself, to see if we can get some car parts there. The one that I really on my wish list is Spoon mirrors. I've seen it on the FK8 last year. For some reason, they did it on the FL5, but they never released it yet. And again, they're really slow, but it is what it is, right? So hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I'm really excited to see you guys and join me in Tokyo Auto Salon 2025. We'll see you guys there. Yeah, much love, you guys. So I probably won't be uploading anything until I get back from Tokyo. I'll probably be too tired of having too much fun, too much eating, or all that good stuff. But I will be posting up daily, probably hourly, on my Instagram, and I'll probably be teasing all the new products that I see. So follow me on my Instagram, Full Throttle, and yeah, leave a comment on those. I do comment back. Okay, so I'll see you guys then, or I'll see you on Instagram. Okay.